Last night, Barcelona's general manager Pep Segura said that we are discussing the conditions of Coutinho and Dembele. We are close, obviously. What is your reaction to what he had to say?
No reaction, actually, I thought. I didn't see, I saw the game, but forgot to watch the interviews afterwards. And so, yeah, nothing to say from my side. I don't know why other people are saying what they are saying. I don't even know them. So, and especially this guy, never met him, so no idea.
Is it fair to say that there are no discussions going on between Liverpool and Barcelona with regards to Philippe Coutinho?
I'm not sure that I have to answer this only because we already said what we have to say, or the club said what we have to say, and so yeah, nothing new, no news from me. So because nobody told me anything different since we spoke last time about this.